webinar was held in Saudi Arabia regarding getting jobs for Pakistanis in the hotel and tourism industry, in which many Pakistanis participated. Webinar was organized by a welfare attaché of the Embassy of Pakistan in Saudi capital Riyadh. He said that apart from Red Sea project in Saudi Arabia, there are jobs in hospitality sector for Pakistani youth in Neom and Al-Ala. There are numerous opportunities through webinars, and we are guiding Pakistani youth to take hospitality-related courses, easily get jobs by getting visas from various Saudi companies.
The International FOODEX exhibition has started at the International Convention and Exhibition Center in the Saudi capital Riyadh, in which some of the large number of food enthusiasts are participating in the exhibition who are interested in various international foods, including Pakistani cuisines. The Pakistani company is for the first time taking part in the exhibition and getting very encouraging response. The company hopes to promote Pakistani food products in the Saudi market, in which expert chefs are preparing delicious foods for the visitors. The FOODEX exhibition will continue till September the 20th.